What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into this video. It's going to be a little bit of a short video. I went out to Vegas recently and I had awful planning. Totally forgot about Sema. I know you guys were like, what? This guy's a car guy. How could he forget about Sema? Well, I did. I thought it was at the end of November for some reason. And I actually was scheduled to leave on the day Sema started. So Tuesday morning, I woke up really early, was able to get to Sema. I only had an hour or so, maybe 2 hours to walk around, like speed walk. And I kind of tried to just videotape for you guys. So you guys that weren't fortunate enough to get to go to Sema, I barely got to go. Maybe next year I'll be able to plan it better. I walked around and I videotaped the whole thing to show with you guys and share with you guys, so you can experience Sema the way I did. I totally wish that I had more time to stay. There's a ton of beautiful cars there. Thanks to everyone that showed up to Sema and brought their beautiful cars, trucks, off-road vehicles. Everything was there. It was an amazing time. I almost missed my flight, but it was totally worth it because Sema is a great place to be. I kind of wish it was more open to the public, more than it is. You can walk around outside if you're just a public person and it's free. I actually recommend that because there's just as many beautiful and amazing one-off cars outside as there are inside. But yes, stay tuned for this video. Check it out. Let me know what car's your favorite car, truck, and like and subscribe, comment below, and turn on the notification bell. I'm going to be doing a dash cam giveaway coming up very soon. I'm going to be giving away a brand new Nextbase dash camera along with reviewing 2 dash cameras from Nextbase. So go ahead and check out my other videos and stay tuned for that giveaway. I'll be giving it away to one of my subscribers or followers on Instagram. And yeah, just stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the video. Crazy. I have no idea how much it costs to do a lift system like this, or this, but it's insane. Do some off-roading. Oh, look at this truck. Look at that. Look at this big thing, Jackie. Big Willie. Yeah, I'm sure they do. That suspension work. Look at this thing.
Right here.
Oh my goodness. Some Jeeps. I know. I don't even know. I just love the suspension setups. Look at that. Get it underneath there. Just regular suspension on this bad boy. Look at this bus. Blitz. Trophy truck. Crazy. Oh, look at this thing.
Not gonna romp over the curbs.
All these things, no expectation. People who save me with gas, you know, with gas, whatever, like what?
Nova. I love this thing. Come on, Jack. Carbon fiber. Really nice customized new supers right here. Look at those splitters. It's crazy what Movie have done to these. Here's the modification list on the bad boy. I love the rims. This one's featuring the same splitter. Take it to the next. This one looks like it just has some rims. There's the, oh wow, 700 horsepower, just stage 2. They make crazy horsepower, they do. This one has some nice rims on it. CCWs. This last one. I like this APR front splitter a lot. I've list on this bad boy. It's got some new seats in it. Nice wing. What size tire is this one? 275s. Ooh, I love the carbon paddle shifters, Alcantara steering wheel. Two big Garrett twins. Oh, it's a diesel. There's no way. Clean interior. Oh, look at that.
Where is Jackson, California?
Oh, I just think you know.
Okay.
What motor is in this?
Oh, it does have a Duramax. That's sick. Wow. Beautiful paint. Love this color. I don't know if I would get tired of it or not. It's got Corsa exhaust. Beautiful V. I think it's one of 300 for this color. Turk CTSV. Beautiful. Gotta get the hitch. Damn, Jackie. Look at that truck.
Make a little
Yeah, this looks like a dang Jeep. Love those wheels. Oh, look at this. Remember seeing this one? Riding the Bulldog? Who won? See the monster truck? Huh? Excuse me, sir. Oh, wow. This thing's pretty neat.
Et pour dire à Martine que je le surveillais.
Ça passera bien, monsieur.
Ooh, look at this Bronco.
Ah ouais, c'est ça.
This carbon fiber. Man, Jackie, they got trucks all the way back. Oh, Dove RDBOA. Okay. Jet powered. Oh wow.
Lip size on that. Probably like 3 inches.
What's up, guys? We got free singles of flexible, flexible. We also have the flexible bonus of 4x4, the actual rugby and commercial.
Where?
They're drifting. No, I think there's like a drift section.
It looks fantastic on this convertible with that white interior. I mean, that is a great choice.
Oh, there's a GT500. The new GT500, you see it?
What happened was
Look at all the tire. See the tire under the fender wheels? Look at all these kids' things. Good thing Dana is. Oh, it's Factory 5 kick bar. What? Yeah, it's huge, but I know, we're leaving. It looks like there's an entrance, so we'll exit from it, walk around. Oh, here's the bend pack, 3-car lift. I need that. Oh yeah, that's a bend pack. That's perfect.